Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. I want to wash these dishes and clean up this area so that we have a clean start to the day. I did not wash my dishes last night, don't tell anybody. But yeah, join me as I wash this. If you're at home, you can wash with me if you like. You can just watch the video or just let it play. I will really appreciate it. Alright, so I'm gonna be using some hot water, right? Okay, so let's get started. I will be using some hot soapy water for obvious reasons, but yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. See this? This stopper really helps to trap a lot of dirt, making sure it doesn't go to the drainage and avoiding any blockages. So if you have something like this that will help you trap dirt here, try and use it. It will really save you a lot of plumbing problems. Just want to make some hot but soapy water. my dishes are clean. I'm going to let them air dry out here. Another option for this process would be to get a fiber cloth. Chicken, come on, to get a fiber cloth, then wipe them, then put them in a storage, but I will leave them here, let them air dry. Also notice, since I started washing my dishes, this is the second time I'm touching my soap. So you have to find a way to make sure that you're not misusing soap or ending up with very soapy dishes. I like to use just a little soap. It goes a long way. Try that. So I'm just picking it because of washing this bowl. Thank you for watching the video up until this point. This is the final part of this process. I washed the bowl I was using to wash the dishes because at this point it is a bit oily. It is carrying a lot of dirt. I just want to wash and keep it. Yeah, and I just had to end the video here because I realized the video stopped recording. So I will catch you in my next video. Stay tuned.